How to create an Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to create an Instagram account, first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for Instagram. So let's just make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. After doing that, simply tap on the Instagram application. Here, simply first of all, what you need to do is choose your username. So let me select a username over here, and after that let's just tap on next. Now here you can just create your password, so just tap on create password over here, then tap on next, and here you can either connect or associate your phone or email ID. So I've associated the email ID over here and then tap on next. And as you do that, you'll be able to create an Instagram account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.